A world-first trial of a pain recognition program is hoping to reduce the pain of dementia sufferers. It will now be rolled out to every aged care facility across the country.
To find a way of better addressing pain for people living in aged care. Today, PainChek is a reality. It's a medical device in the form of an app.
There are 220,000 people living in aged care homes here in Australia, and about half of those people will have dementia. And for them, pain is a real challenge. The ability to communicate the fact that you're in pain, to verbalise that as your dementia gets worse, becomes impossible. What the app does is detects the face, landmarks the eyes, the nose, the lips and the forehead, and then looks for 9 specific muscle movements that are indicative of pain. And then what we overlay on that is a series of non-facial features, so vocalisations, behaviours, activities, that give you a picture of the pain.
Having formed a partnership with PainChek and having some fantastic results from the app that we've been using from them, we're very, very happy to be part of this announcement today.
The $5 million trial that I'm announcing today will enable a number of sites to trial PainChek to provide the level of care and treatment and pain intervention that's required.
There are even plans to roll out the technology to hospitals and GPs.
Of course, eventually, we see people being able to use this at home with their family members. There is training courses available.
If you can't articulate if something's wrong with you, if you're in pain, if you've got a program like this, then that will help and assist and make sure that you're pain-free. Something that's so instantaneous and can help people. And for me, I feel very comfortable that my mother's been very well looked after. It gives us peace of mind and it makes us feel comfortable that she's been looked after and that she won't be in any pain.
Better pain assessment leads to better pain management, and better pain management leads to better quality of life for people living in aged care.
We could help hundreds of thousands of people in Australia, and inevitably, I hope, we will achieve what our goal was, and that is to ensure that no one suffers in silence and pain.
That's a remarkable breakthrough, and that will really make a difference. PainChek has gone from being a regulated device, it's now clinically proven, and it's now government funded. In the medical device and diagnostic field, that is actually almost unique. It normally takes 4 to 5 years to achieve all those 3 goals. We've done it in 2 years, which is a testament on the value of this product and the impact it has in aged care.